Good afternoon, I'm the Mainly Digger, and today we'll be talking about Permethrin. I can't say it right. It's Permethrin, mainly digger, which is an insecticide. In Maine and in many other states, the ticks are bad. Like, the ticks are everywhere. So to combat those ticks and Lyme disease and other tick-borne illnesses, you need an insecticide. For me, I bought this because my dad, who is a Maine guide, or was a Maine guide, and still goes out, uses it. Like, this is what he swears by. And I'll show you how to use it in this video. The warnings with this are: do not inhale it. If it gets in your eyes, wash it out, follow the directions, and understand the chemicals that are in this pesticide. Mainly dig it out. This insect repellent can be bought for $18 or $20. Say $20. It repels all and most insects. It is, as it says, it is to only be applied to clothing. It bonds with clothes well and gear, tents, backpacks, any type of cloth. That's what you use it on. You spray it on and it keeps the nasty bugs away, like ticks, mosquitoes, black flies. Especially in Maine, black flies are horrible. So it is an amazing insect repellent. Do not get it in your eyes. Do not swallow it. Do not inhale it. So what I have done, and this is for tick prevention, is I've taken this Permethrin and I'm going to spray it on my clothes that I've laid out. This is the pair of clothes that I'm going to wear all the time, every time I go detecting or out in the woods or work or whatever. I'm not going to wash them because I'm going to be in the woods, and if I stink, I don't care. I also have another pair of clothes that I'm doing this to, another pair of dickies. These are my dickies, and as you can see, I'm spraying them. So you got to press the nozzle or twist the nozzle. You don't want to inhale this. This is a pesticide. I'll probably say that a couple times. A light coating. And this mainly for ticks. Like in Maine, we do have a tick problem. So I don't like ticks. I've only been bitten by one tick. I've never gotten Lyme disease or any of the other tick-related illnesses. But yeah, you can get it good, real good. I'm doing this away from my house so the kids don't get involved, and then I'm gonna go wash my hands directly after this because I don't want to breathe it in. It's a good time. I'm, recovering from my whatever shoulder. I hurt my shoulder. If you haven't watched my other videos, not really hurt. It just hurts. I pulled something. So light coat on all the stuff that I'm gonna be wearing outside. In this photo, it's showing the variations of species in ticks. The upper left is the dog tick, which carries the Lyme disease. I'm not a tick expert. I just don't like them. So at first, the tick is kind of small until it burrows into your skin, looking like this. That's exactly what they look like. And then their tail end begins to get bigger and harder the more they eat. If you're going to extract a tick on your own, use tweezers and grab at the very, very head. Try to grab the head. The nastiness is in the tick's stomach. The infection is carried in the tick's stomach. So grab the head and pull, or get a professional. So on the left, I've never seen a case of Lyme disease that bad. That looks like it's been untreated for a while. But on the right, that is an outstanding example of what a tick bite with Lyme disease looks like. It looks like a target. So you have the red in the middle where the bite is, and then you have the outer line, which is the rash. If you have this, I would go get it checked on immediately. So here's my Roundup, and this is kind of a warning for ticks because it's that season. Tick season's out and about. The ticks are out there. Be careful. This insect repellent covers all sorts of bugs. It's great. It works. It works. And I hope you understand ticks a little bit more if you've never encountered them or you've never had a tick bite. Not every tick bite turns into Lyme disease. I've had one tick bite, and I've seen people with Lyme disease before, and I wouldn't call it rare, but it is out there, and it's prevalent in some areas. So just watch out. Just watch if you bit by a tick. Know how to take it out. Remember what I said. Take it out by the head with tweezers. Don't touch the body. That is where the infection is. If you squeeze the body, it'll go into your body. So don't do that. Or go and get it out by a professional. Go get it taken out by a professional. However you want to do it, take care of it. Take care of yourself. Stay safe. Oh, also, I'm going out tomorrow. I will be metal detecting tomorrow early in the morning. I cannot wait finally to get out. My shoulder feels better, and it's time to get out. It's time to go out swinging again on a longer hunt. I went. My last video was probably about 10 minutes of my day, but mainly to get out.